Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my video blog for my VW Beetle. Taking these bad boys somewhere tomorrow. Anybody want to guess where? In comments below. Got a 69 Beetle here, auto stick under the wraps. Got chassis under wraps. The tarp with a bike rack in the middle. All the rain goes away every time. Auto stick motor. We got some A-arm suspension, coilovers, back and pinion, bugtech steering, bugtech shifter. Sorry about that. We got some triple ceramic ball bearing turbocharger. We got some JPM cylinder heads from Sweden. I'd like to give a shout out to my buddy my buddy Frederick in Sweden. Really cool guy, got a lot of cool stuff going on. You can check him out. I'll give you his Instagram page later. Got my 64 Beetle, doing some mods to it. Got a little dash action going there, guys. Still in the works, sorry about the mess. Here's my 2054cc motor. Just checking out the garage right now. We got this Lindiola suspension set up. It's pretty sick. Can't wait to get it going. Bugtech shifter. Tits. Check out them 944 disc brakes. Boys. Yeah. Making some power moves on the Bug. I'm looking to be making, I don't know, 400 horsepower maybe 350. Got a whole bunch of goodies in here, guys. This is my first blog for my YouTube channel. I hope you guys like what you see. I hope you subscribe, click that cowbell, because we all like that cowbell. And you know, just yeah. Hope you guys like what you see. Comment below. Let me know what's going on. What's your thoughts? And subscribe if you like what you see. Yeah. So this is my web blog for my Bug. It's first YouTube post. I guess I'll get better as it goes along. But yeah. This is it. Hope you like it, guys. Take it easy.